Come here, Hog Ass. What you gotta do? Come here.
What is it?
51 million of us who may need a different kind of underwear.
What you gotta do?
This is new defense silhouette.
What you gotta do, Harley?
What you gotta do?
It's slim and smooth, so
Yeah.
wearing it is no
Down.
big deal.
Down.
Get a free sample
You shut it?
at
Sit.
underwearness.com.
You see it? Hey, come here. All right, calm down.
All for a treat.
Calm down. He's like, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Hey, quit scratching the floor. Sit. Harley, come here. Sit. 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 Okay. Good boy.
Olay
You want one of these?
It regenerates.
All right, where you gotta go?
New skins revealed
What you gotta do? See it? See it?
He's like,
See it?
the youthful, award-winning skin.
he got his, he got his suit on.
You know what Harley did?